Welcome, you're watching English with Akram, and today we are going to have group discussion. And these are the students that are learning English from Ideal Academy, and they all are eligible to speak on any topic. So today's topic for GD is joint family and nuclear family. Which family is better? They will put their opinion. So let's get going. So guys, I would like to start group discussion with Shaimin. So Shaimin, what's your take on joint family and nuclear family? Which family is better according to you?
So, according to me, the nuclear family is better than the joint family. I'm not saying completely that the joint family is not good. No, in some ways it might be good, but I'll prefer nuclear family. There are several reasons behind it, like if I'm talking about the financial problem. You know what happens in the joint family, that there are so many members and there only a breadwinner who just earn for the whole family, and there are so many beakers which keep on taking place in the joint family on the trifles, on the food, and we cannot tolerate these much things in our life, and just we get the hateness, jealousy, and so many things we get for other people, which is really not a good thing. And if you do not want to get hate for anyone, so just the solution or the remedy is that just leave from that home, that family, just start living alone. That is the nuclear family.
Now I would like to ask Kashifa's opinion. What does she think about the topic? Which family is better according to you?
According to me, joint family is better, because as I think if we live in joint family, at that time we have diversity. Because of diversity, we get to know the way how to live, how to face the people, how we can live. And there everyone has different opinion. We can take any suggestion, we can take decision. Even as you were mentioning about the happiness and also as I think in joint family we have more love than nuclear family.
So according to me, I would choose nuclear family, because as per my perception, the real happiness lies in only in nuclear family, not in joint family. I know that in joint family there are lots of people, our uncle, aunt, their children, and our grandfather, grandmother, but that happiness is limited. How? Because day in and out, the fights keep on taking place in the joint family, and this is the first and the biggest reason that why am I favoring, and why am I favoring the nuclear family? Why am I in the against of this joint family? You know what happens in the joint family, the little bickers turns into huge matters, and that becomes a huge fight, and that is so scary, and in nuclear family also the fight takes place, but not more than the joint family. So here I do not agree with Kashifa.
Okay, so for my perception, joint family is better than nuclear family, because there are lots of reasons. First, like Shaimin told some reasons, and now I would like to also share my reasons that in the joint family we can live together. But what about in the nuclear family? Like a person is earning, and now something wrong happened with him, so he is the backbone of the home, and now something wrong happened with him, so who will earn? So at that time, family became, family became totally dependent on others. But no, it's not happens in the joint family. And Sana, you were mentioning about these type of things. So it does not happen. And for my perception, joint family is better than nuclear family, because there are lots of reasons, like some reasons Shaimin told. And I would like to share one reason. It is that if we are living in the nuclear family, at that time only one person is who is earning, who is head of the home. So at that time, what happens if something wrong happened with him? So he is the backbone of the home. So now who is able to earn? No one is able to earn. So at that time, family became totally dependent on relatives and on others. So that's why I prefer joint family, which is totally better for us. That's it.
According to me, I cannot denounce to any family. If someone like nuclear family, then nuclear is better for him. If someone likes, if someone likes joint family, then joint family is better for him. And I like nuclear family. Then for me, according to my need, nuclear is better. And it is totally based on situation and need. We cannot denounce to any family that it is not good and it is good.
perception, the joint family is better than a nuclear family, because in a joint family we can make the good memories in our life, because there are more members and we can enjoy with each other, and we can go on trip and on other place also, and we don't have to go outside for chilling out. At home we get a good environment for chilling out, and as well as we have a grandfather and grandmother. They tell us story, history means they tell stories, and as well as they tell history also, and we can make good understanding also in joint family, because in joint family there are more member, and we can spend more time we can spend more time with each other, and so we can make the good understanding with each other. So as per my perception, the joint family is better than nuclear family.
My name is Adnan and I am the student of 10th class, and today I am supporting joint family because I have some points which I am going to tell you. So my first point about that, a children is never lonely, because if you are working as a parent in a nuclear family, so you need to worry about your children, but it doesn't happen in the joint family, because if a child is lonely, so the good people will be there, they will always care you. That's why I am saying the joint family is more better. And I want to tell to Sana that Sana was mentioning about the fight keeps on taking place in the joint family. I want to tell you the where the people fight, they love also each other. That's it about it.
According to me, nuclear family is better than joint family, because you know what, in nuclear family we can live according to our wish, but in joint family we can't live according to our wish. You know what, in joint family if we want to do something, so we have to take permission, but in nuclear family we can do anything as our wish. And in joint family they taunts you that what are you doing, you are studying so long time, you are not able to do anything, and you are not able to do anything, and you are wasting your time and nothing, and you can't do anything, like this they taunts you. But in a nuclear family you can live easily, and in joint family fight always take place. That's it.
For my perception, nuclear family is best. According to me, joint family means the large family. That's why everybody would like to nuclear family. For the I forgot a word.
Which word? उसको माइक को नहीं रख सर. I forgot the word.
Sir, privacy. Sir,
जब भी कुछ पूछ रहे हो ना, ग्रुप डिस्कशन है, डिबेट नहीं है, पूछ सकते हो यार, भूल जाओ कोई दिक्कत नहीं, लेकिन बोलना सब कुछ इंग्लिश में है. ठीक है, अब शुरू करो.
For the privacy issue. Sir, that's it.
So as for my opinion, I am favoring nuclear family, and there are lots of reasons, and the most biggest reason is fight. That I live in joint family, so I have faced a lot of problem in joint family. So I am favoring nuclear family, and I would like to say that one day every joint family will be nuclear family. So as for my opinion, nuclear family is best.
In your first turn, you mentioned about some paragons, that in the nuclear family we don't get paragons. So hear me out first here. I want to say one thing, that I also live in a nuclear family, and directly cannot blame on nuclear family that the children are ill-mannered, they do not have good manners. It's just all about the parents, that which education, which type of paragons and manners they are giving. And you all are just mentioning about the joint family, that joint family is better just for the memories, just for enjoyment. It's all just the fantasy stuff. Nothing is like that. It's just a bookish thing that family or joint family will be good, there will be enjoyment. No, there will be only fight, bickers, and nothing more than will be there.
Shaimin, here I am not agree with you, as you are mentioning about the fight. So as my perception is, this is the biggest misconception of the people, that in joint family fight take place. So it is depend on the on the our education and the upbringing and the mentality, as you are mentioning about the nuclear family as well. In nuclear family, it depends on nuclear family how we are getting education and upbringing and the mentality. So it's depend on joint family as well. In joint family also we can get good education, good mentality and good each and everything we can get. It is not about the only nuclear and the joint. And to Rimsha, I would like to say that as you were mentioning about that one day every family will become nuclear. So dear friend, it's like a recycle. Once we have to become joint and once we have to be a nuclear. So try to see from each and every angle. Do not see only nuclear is best and joint is you are denouncing to the joint and all. Yes, ma'am.
So I would like to say that some students were mentioning about fight. Like in the joint family, fights takes place a lot. I agree with that. Why? Because there is love. When fight takes place, so after 2-3 minutes or 2-3 hours, they start talking again and they forget everything. But what happens in nuclear? If one time fight take place, so there is no one who will convince you. And just because of that, it becomes a big, we can say mountain. And just because of that, divorce takes place. You want?
Many students are saying that fight takes place in joint family, because we cannot blame to any family. If anybody is fighting, suppose I am in the habit of fighting. If I will live in joint family, definitely I will fight. Or if I will live in nuclear family, in this family also I will fight, because I am in the habit of fighting. If I want to live peacefully life in any family, definitely whether it is a joint family or it is nuclear family, I will live peacefully in every family.
And Fuzair, what were you saying about the privacy issue? In your turn you said. So I want to tell you that we are not living in ancient time where people were not educated. They don't know what's the meaning of privacy. But now we are living 21st century. So everyone, whether they are not educated and they are educated, all people know about the privacy. So you can't say that in this era the people don't know about the privacy. If you are living the joint family also, so they know very well about the privacy. Okay.
So I want to tell to Shaimin, you were mentioning about the joint family is nothing in front of the nuclear family, isn't it? I want to tell you, the children who are living in a nuclear family, they don't know how to respect the elders. Let's take an example. You take the two children, one is from the joint family and one is from the nuclear family. So you will find a big difference between their behavior. Like a boy has a chocolate and he's from the joint family, and a boy has also a chocolate, he's from the nuclear family. So he will not share, because he will not know that I have to share it or not. But the joint family children have know that I have to share among my cousin, friends and the all. That's why I am saying the boy joint family is more better than the nuclear family. And if you support and if you live in a joint family, so you will be the person who will be liked by all. That's it about it.
In my turn, I mentioned about some paragons and manners. There, I completely didn't mean to say that in the joint family, the students or the children are ill-mannered. No, I didn't say completely. She was mentioning that in the nuclear family, the students or the children are ill-mannered. I just said that in joint family as well, in nuclear family as well, in the both family, the students or the children are well-mannered. They have paragons. I am not saying that the children who belong to joint family, they are ill-mannered. Just listen me carefully and then try to answer me.
Shaimin, you said that I didn't say that about ill-mannered, so I was not saying that, and he was also not saying that about ill-mannered. But I just want to say that if we all are favoring to joint families, to nuclear family, and we all want to just nuclear family, then what about our parents? Where will they go?
after are getting married, then after are getting married, then where will they go? Could you think about them? They have think about us a lot, and they have spent our life on us, and now we are thinking only about us. We are thinking about our nuclear family. Can't you think about that?
Navid, after Navid.
So first, I would like to give answer to the Adnan that I don't see eye to eye with you. Why? Because you were mentioning about that first chocolate and second chocolate. It's not all about chocolate. It's all about the environment in which he is living. If he is living in that environment where, like his parents, if his parents shares money or shares anything with others, so he have seen that thing that my parents also do this. So definitely he will also do these things. But if his not parents are following these type of things, so definitely he will not follow these type of things. That is the matter.
Yeah. First, tell me who was saying that if we are living in joint family, nuclear family, then we will not have manners. Who was saying? I think Anand, you are saying or chocolate. You cannot put this thing to everyone. There are many students in our coaching who are living in nuclear family, and they have better manners than us. They have better manners than us. We cannot apply this thing to everyone. Yeah, I agree with you. Some people, some students, some people are here that who has no manners. But you know, there are many people who are living in joint family and they have not manners.
Naki, you are saying that about ill manners. So it depends on your mentality. Doesn't matter in which family are you belong. Yes. If you belong to a joint family and nuclear family as well, so you can't blame to a family and you can't blame to their parents as well. Everyone will say that your parents didn't tell you this thing. Why are you doing like this? Everyone will say like this, but take care of one more thing, that it depends on your mentality, and you are mature that you can think about that.
Earlier, Naki, you mentioned about the fight that we were mentioning that in the joint family on the trifles beaker keep on taking place. So there you mentioned about the habit that if I'm in the habit of fighting, then I will fight, otherwise I will not fight. Okay, it's all about you. What about the other members of family? Your uncle, your aunt, your cousin, your grandfather, your grandmother. They all are in the habit of fighting. Now what? Just answer me.
Here, Shaiman, I do not say eye to eye with you, as you are mentioning about the bickers and all. You were mentioning all about that manner and ill manner. So, guys, it's depend on the person, on our parents and the elders who they are, and what kind of education they have, and how they are what they are giving to us. It's depend on the generation as well, that what they want to take. As you always mention about the tendency and all. So it depends on that as well. Yes, Sana.
So I wanna give answer to Navid brother that he was saying that that if the fight takes place in the nuclear family, so we cannot convince them, and that turns into divorce between the parents. So here I want to say that which kind of fights can take place in the nuclear family between our parents. So they will fight, and that is so common thing that a fight between husband and wife, that is so common thing, and children are also there. We can also convince our parents. So here I do not agree with you.
Yes, of course.
Okay, Farin, what you were saying that it depends on totally on minds. Who has manners and who has not manners. In starting, I have said that this we cannot blame to any family. We cannot blame to joint family. We cannot blame to nuclear family. Yeah, I agree with you. कट कर देना वो. Yeah, I agree with you that it depends on totally depends on the mind. And Shaimin, what you were saying that why I'm giving my example that if I'm in the habit of fighting, then I will fight. You know why? I think you don't listen. You didn't listen my word. I said that for example me. If I'm giving my example, means that I'm applying this thing to everyone, on my uncle, on my father, on my mother, everyone I'm applying.
Here I want to take another example. In joint family, we are not able to study with concentrate. In joint family. In joint family, everyone keeps on disturbing us, so we can't study in joint family.
Naved, you said about chocolate to which Adnan was shared. You know what? It was not all about chocolate. It was all about our manners. We are no. Okay, I can think that what are you thinking right now? But I'm just saying that it's not all about chocolate. It's all about our manners. Okay, he has given only an example by which we can understand with the help of joint family we can share and we can learn how to share and how to distribute our things with others. But if we are living in a nuclear family, so if we are taking only one thing, so we will think that it's mine and I will spend. It is mine and I will take it only on myself.
So Sana and I think Fuzair, they all are mentioning about the fighting. They are saying that in the nuclear family, in the joint family, the fight take place. So I want to say that it's not bad thing if they are fighting. So but nevertheless, means after the fighting also they always stand with each other and they always help to each other. But on the other hand, if I talk about the nuclear family, so in the nuclear family also fight take place. But in if they fight, so if the children fight, so they don't talk to each other. And what happened in the nuclear family? Only 4 and 3 members they are only 4 and 3 members, and they always keep on operating phone, and they don't spend with time with each other.
Yes.
So first I would like to give answer to the Fareen. Fareen, you didn't listen me. You just listened chocolate. Your mind was on chocolate. So now listen what I was saying. I was saying about the environment. If your home environment is like that, like giving and sharing, so definitely you will share because it's a habitual. You are habitual of that. You didn't listen me properly and you are just coming and mumbling. I would like to give answer to Rimsha as well. Rimsha, you were talking about in the joint family we cannot study. You know, if you want to study, so you can study. In my family, my brothers and relatives disturbs me. Should I leave my relatives and my brothers as well? People disturbs you, but in the joint family also they are disturbing you. But if you want to study, so you can study at any time, at any cost. Now who won't answer?
Naved, you said if we want to study, we can study. So they are our family members. If our family member asking something, so we can't deny them. That's why I'm saying we can't study with concentrate in joint family.
Sumaya, you mentioned something about the operating phone and all. So, and directly I will give answer to both Fareen and Sumaya, you, because your answers are connected to each other. Initially, Fareen mentioned about something that about the chocolate, like about the thing that if I got the thing that if the children belong to a nuclear family, then he will think that it only belongs to me. I will not give to everyone. So that is your mentality, that you have made your mind that a child who belong to a nuclear family, he will not have manners. It's all about the parents. You know what? And you know what, in the joint family also, it doesn't mean that we have so many members, so every member will come to us and they will give us paragon and manner. No, our initial, you know what, who is our first teacher in this world? Our mother. And it is only the mother who gives you the good paragons or the good manners. That's it.
Here I want to answer to the Rimsha, as Rimsha was mentioning about the study, that in joint family we cannot study. If we want to study, as Naved mentioned, that if we want to study anywhere, we can study at any cost. But the things you mentioned, that in joint family everyone disturbs. So if the person is disturbing, on the other hand, that person is helping us as well. If we need anything, so that person can help us. Always, it doesn't matter if we have big family or the huge family members. So there, everyone will disturb us. It doesn't matter. Always, everything will be in wrong manner. See everything from every side.
So I would like to give answer to the Alia. In the first turn, you were mentioning about the about studying, like your family. If you are living in joint family, your family member asked, "What are you doing?" You always keeps on operating on, and these type of things you were mentioning. You know what happens? Like if you are living in nuclear family, at that time, then again they will call you. They will call at your home that today is the result of your child. What was his score? At these type of thing, and then they will taunt you. Why? Because